In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a broker in MetaTrader5. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to connect your trading platform to your broker so you can start placing trades with confidence. First, make sure MetaTrader5 is already installed and open on your computer. If you're seeing the main trading window with charts, the Market Watch panel, and the toolbox at the bottom, you're in the right place. To begin, move your mouse to the very top left corner of the MetaTrader5 window and click on the File menu. This is where most of the basic platform functions are located, including options related to accounts and connections. When you click File, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, look for the option that says Open an Account or Open Account, and click on it. This will open a new window dedicated to managing trading accounts and connecting to different brokers' servers. You might see a list of servers that MetaTrader has detected before, but don't worry if your broker isn't visible yet. In this new window, you'll see a search field. Click inside that field and type your broker's name carefully. Make sure you spell it exactly as it appears in your broker's documentation or website. MetaTrader5 will search for all available servers related to that broker. This might include demo servers, live servers, or regional servers, depending on how your broker is set up. Once the search results appear, choose the server that matches the type of account you want to use, such as demo or real, and then continue. At this point, simply follow the on-screen prompts. MetaTrader5 will guide you through the process, which may include selecting whether you want to create a new demo account or log into an existing trading account. If you're logging into an existing account, you'll usually be asked for your login ID and password provided by your broker. Enter those details carefully, making sure there are no extra spaces. If you're creating a demo account, you may need to enter basic information like your name, country, and desired account parameters. Just fill in the fields as requested and proceed through each screen. After you complete the prompts, MetaTrader5 will attempt to connect to the broker's server. When the connection is successful, you should see your account appear in the Navigator panel under Accounts, and the connection status in the bottom right corner should indicate you are online. At this point, your broker has been added, and